Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I've got this fantastic 4-bedroom semi-detached family home coming to the market very shortly. Now this one does require some modernisation and updating, but it's the perfect opportunity for you to put your own stamp on the property. Now there's some fantastic features here, not least this superb garden that I'm stood in now. It's long, level and great for the kids to run around in. Within the garden, you've got a huge single-storey outbuilding which is suitable for a variety of different things. And at the front, there's plenty of parking as well as a garage cum workshop. Now, this is one of the most sought-after parts of town. There are nice views out towards the sea and the amenities are close by. So here's a sneak preview for you now. So there we are, that is our sneak preview of this fabulous 4-bedroom semi-detached family home, perfect for you to put your own stamp on. So register your interest now. To do that, please call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.